Hey there, I'm Eric. Thank you for joining us, and I'm excited to welcome you here today. We've got something really special lined up for you. Today, Gilbert's parents, Nancy and Junior, will be joining us for an adventure at the Red, White, and Blue thrift store. Love getting to know them as we explore some amazing finds and treasures together. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more great videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Let's dive in.
We're at the thrift store. Mira, tú ven. Goodness, yeah. What else did you find?
So I found this Burberry trench coat. It has a liner as well. And then under the liner, you have
Oh wow.
that classic trench, color plaid.
How much is it?
This one is $149.99.
Wow. Let me see. Try to like show those whole thing. Wow. Nice. Oh wow, what did you find? That's nice.
Yeah, I like how it tastes this one.
Oh yeah. I mean, you don't need it with that hair. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what is that?
It's a witch's broom.
What did you find? Mira, saluda acá.
This. Hi.
Let's see.
This.
Wow. Mm-hmm.
It's so pretty, and then.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
One more, have more.
Okay. Yeah. That's nice. Excellent. Very
Yes.
good. What did you find?
I found this little jewelry bags. Looks pretty vintage.
Let me see. That's cool. That's creepy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Doors. Oh, cool. This Bumblebee Transformers. We press the buttons. Yep. Spider-Man. New York Christmas. Christmas. Let's see what else. Some egg. We have an owl here. Belcori, made in Italy. $15. And guess who's still here with us? Waiting for you. Here's some of the creepy. That one is $49. $50.
And these are some of the bags that they have. A little Burberry action going on there.
And here we have a section of horses. How about these shoes here, Mephisto, for $200. And today I think blue is 75%. So I never heard of this brand before. They seem new, brand new. Are you ready to save money? Turtle, $25. Oh no, it's Lennox. It looks vintage. Look at this. baskets. This owl. $5. Visit America. Oh, some lighthouse. It's cool. You can move your camera on that. $7. Thrift. Look at these lamps over here. Set for $24. They're not on sale today. Electronic section. Let's see here. Laser tag. Look at this nice radio. 34. Looks nice. Music of India for all Indian friends. Religious music. Look who we found here. We found Carol, our best friend in Orlando. She knows what I'm talking about.
You just never know what you're going to find at these places.
Like and subscribe, follow us for more thrifting stories.